LISEN Duster is a powerful cleaning tool that is capable of getting rid of dirt stuck in hard-to-reach places. With 5 different nozzle attachments, all your gadget cleaning needs are sure to be met. Its powerful motor can attain an incredible 150,000 rotations per minute, which gives it an impressive blowing speed that knocks out the competition. Plus, when you attach the small outlet nozzle, its already mind-blowing airspeed is further concentrated into a jet. Whether you need a hairdryer, a powerful cleaning tool, or a campfire blower, the LISEN Duster has got you covered. In addition, the product has a cool feature in the form of a temperature control chip that prevents it from overheating. Since it is a lightweight device, moving the tool around is not a chore. Now, you can finally clear those annoying crevices that do nothing other than accumulate dust. Level up your gaming and home entertainment experience with the XREAL Air augmented reality glasses. Unlike bulky virtual glasses, this innovative product comes in a sleek, lightweight design that guarantees comfort even during extended gaming sessions. You can easily connect the product to a variety of smart devices, from phones and laptops to different handheld console brands. With the XREAL Air, you will feel like you have a massive 330-inch screen right in front of you, which makes it a great alternative to your television. As an added bonus, this impressive product is not exclusively made for gamers, as it basically doubles as a second screen. Just connect it to your TV or computer, and you have a ready-to-go lightweight projector. Plus, since the screen fits perfectly on your face, you are not required to sit down to watch and consume content anymore. Next up is the SmartBook Lite by Ginkgo. This seemingly simple yet intuitive design looks exactly like a normal book when closed, but the magic happens when you open the book and it turns into a beautiful desk lamp that looks straight out of Hogwarts. From its leather finish on its back cover to its water-resistant and tear-proof pages is a perfect blend of art and functionality that will elevate the ambience of any living space. Thanks to its powerful rechargeable battery, this SmartBook Lite can go for an impressive 11 hours of continuous use. Yet, all the time it needs to reach a full battery charge is just 3 hours. Alternatively, you can simply plug the gadget permanently for uninterrupted illumination. Not only does this desk light provide soft lighting to its surroundings, but it is also a beautiful piece that will definitely get conversations started. Being stuck in a monotonous desk job is bound to get boring quickly. That's where the interactive spike ferrofluid toy comes into play. NASA initially invented ferrofluid as a type of fuel that could be pumped into rockets in zero gravity by using magnets. While that is still in development, the fluid has captured public attention due to the beautiful patterns it makes when exposed to a magnetic field. The spike toy comes with a powerful neodymium magnet that you can use to interact with the product to make beautiful, spiky patterns. Compared to competitors, Spike uses high-grade ferrofluid that retains its properties for a lot longer than a few weeks. With its compact 4.5-inch height, it is a perfect gift for anyone working a desk job who is fascinated by science or the mysterious. The aluminum base also gives it a high-end look that makes it an innovative and classy gadget. Getting the perfect home decor gadget is not always easy. Luckily, with the anti-gravity time lamp, you'll get a futuristic product that not only tells time, but looks like it's defying the laws of physics. Although it gives an excellent hypnotic effect, this clever contraption is not actually throwing water droplets upwards. Instead, it creates this illusion through clever lighting. To get the best experience with the time lamp, the product should be placed about 10 feet away from where you usually work or relax. At that distance, the product's water pump becomes basically silent, so you can go about your day without interruption. Furthermore, it is easy to replace the water in this device. Just make sure to switch it off before you remove the top cover and change the water. Mesmerize your friends and family by the unnatural movement the time lamp brings to life. This next product, the Supernova, is for music lovers and robotics enthusiasts. With a cool robotic design, this 360-degree surround speaker is stylish and practical with state-of-the-art technology. Its integrated Bluetooth 5.3 technology means that you're getting a media player with exceptional reach, so you don't need to worry about your device disconnecting just because you take your phone a few paces away from the speaker. The Supernova is also very portable and is a great companion to have on you while going out on picnics and camping trips. With its 24-hour battery life, the time you spend going back and forth with charging is drastically reduced. And that's not all. The Supernova also works as a 360-degree lamp. But if you're in the mood for some RGB lighting display, you can easily switch to that feature. The Tobii Eye Tracker 5 is a revolutionary product that will transform your gaming experience. Its state-of-the-art tracking technology maps your eye and head movements, simultaneously increasing aiming speed in shooter games and overall game performance. The technology is so advanced that it doesn't depend on the lighting conditions of the room you're in to work, so you can play in a pitch-black room and your movements will still be tracked. This product also supports over 170 games, and users can easily check up on the product's website to see if their favorite games support this innovative technology. Plus, Tobii floors other eye tracker options as it eliminates the need for users to wear cumbersome headgear, such as hats or bulky VR glasses. Step into the future by grabbing this deceptively simple-looking gadget and shock your gaming buddies by prevailing in clutch situations with terrible odds. Are you worried that your home security is below standard? Well, worry no more with the Lindo Security Doorbell. This compact device features dual cameras that have a combined 190-degree field of view. The scope of the cameras is so impressive that every single part of your front yard is covered, including the base of your door, where delivery packages are usually placed. It has two 5-megapixel cameras with human and package detection features. It can easily identify anyone or anything standing outside your door. Once the doorbell is pressed, you'll get a call on your phone and choose how you respond. Lindo Doorbell also comes with an auto reply function that can be activated when you're busy. And for situations when you're away from home, you can review the videos captured by the device for free as long as it's only 3 days back. If you are prone to losing your phones or keys often, then you need to get the Chipolo Key Tracker. This lightweight smart gadget is a great solution for easily locating misplaced items in the house. Just get the Chipolo app and stick the tracker to items you're more prone to losing, like wallets and keys. One smart feature of this gadget is that it sends you a notification on your phone to alert you whenever you are going out without tracking items. However, if your smartphone is the item that ends up getting misplaced, you can double-click on the tracker to call your phone. Since the product tracks with Bluetooth, its range is limited. But don't fret, you can always check the last location of your lost item on your smartphone through the Chipolo app and begin your search from there. If you are planning to get into woodworking or simple arts and crafts, then the Hoto Rotary Toolkit is a great choice. The unique attachments on this multi-tool multiply its versatility by 35. If you need to carve, cut, sand, or polish, the Hoto Rotary has got you covered. You'd be surprised that this compact gadget has a powerful motor capable of reaching speeds of 25,000 rotations per minute. For novices and experts, this gadget can be a valuable addition to your minimalist crafting tools. In addition, it comes with a powerful rechargeable battery that lasts for 50 minutes on continuous use, and a wireless charging station that gets it back to 100% in no time. There's also a tiny ring light on the device that points directly at your target, allowing you to create more intricate patterns. Next up, we have the Twotrees Laser Engraver. This product might be on the pricey side, but when you hear all the wonderful features it is capable of, you might very well put it in your shopping cart. Twotrees is an all-in-one engraver gadget that works on a variety of surfaces, including leather, wood, and even glass. But engraving is not the only feature of this device, as it can also be used to cut plywood as thick as 15 millimeters thanks to its 20-watt laser output. Unlike other gadgets that you need to spend hours assembling, Twotrees is ready out of the box. Plus, once you have the app, you can start working on your next project immediately. And because you are working with lasers, this innovative gadget comes with a flame detector that will set off an alarm during emergencies.